Welcome to our exploration of the best bakeware sets. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just getting started, having the right bakeware can make all the difference in your culinary creations. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through top-quality bakeware sets that offer durability, versatility, and superior baking performance. From non-stick surfaces to sturdy construction, we'll showcase sets that meet a variety of needs and budgets. Get ready to elevate your baking game as we dive into the world of the best bakeware sets, helping you unleash your inner pastry chef with every delicious treat you create. So without further ado, let's get started. At number 5 is the Amazon Basics 6-piece bakeware baking set. The Amazon Basics 6-piece non-stick bakeware baking set emerges as a starter kit dream for budding bakers or a practical update for seasoned hands. With a sizable footprint of 40.5 centimeters by 28.5 centimeters by 15 centimeters, it promises room for a variety of baking projects without demanding excessive space. Kicking off with 2 round 9-inch cake pans, the creation of classic layered cakes becomes a pleasure rather than a peril. The included 9 by 5-inch loaf pan ushers in an array of bread recipes, giving rise to everything from crusty wheat breads to moist pound cakes. Confectionery dreams further flourish with a 12-cup muffin pan designed to expel cupcake woes, producing evenly cooked morsels, be it for a daily treat or celebratory events. A well-seasoned cook knows the benefit of roasts, and the 13 by 9-inch roast pan responds to this with ease, be it for Sunday roast chicken or a veggie-laden casserole. Not to be sidelined, the same-sized baking sheet is versatile for the popping cookies as well as crispy-edged potatoes, proving its utilitarian worth. What highlights this set is the impeccable non-stick coating, ensuring that even sticky caramelized juices fall away without complaint, alongside heavyweight steel construction accounting for an even thermal spread. Oven safety up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit asserts its resilient nature through diverse recipes with panoramic thermal demands. The hand wash stipulation might throw off dishwasher enthusiasts, but is a minor drawback considering the convenience on all other fronts. For a flourish in your baking protocol with minor detail to hand cleaning, the Amazon Basics bakeware anchors reliability and simplicity, encouraging palatable exploration within its non-stick confines. At number 4 is the Circulon Total Non-Stick Bakeware Set with Non-Stick Bread Pan. The Circulon Total Non-Stick Bakeware Set provides an extensive array for both amateur bakers and culinary experts keen on crowds or crafting dares, all coordinated in a sophisticated gray finish. This 10-piece set caters to an exhaustive range of baking requirements, with an exceptional emphasis on functionality and lifespan. Constructed with heavy-gauge steel, these pieces boast a warp-resistant rolled rim design, ensuring they remain true to shape and function even at high temperatures. The ensemble includes versatile shapes for varied creations, such as 2 9-inch round cake pans for classic layer cakes, 2 square cake pans favoring brownies and bars, a traditional loaf pan, a practical rectangular cake pan with a lid for portability, 2 sizable cookie pans, and a 12-cup muffin/cupcake pan. Infused with Circulon's premium non-stick technology, the set is distinguished by a unique surface pattern, the hallmark raised circles, which contribute extensively to the non-stick performance. It's not just the bake that matters, but how gracefully it releases, making for eye-catching finishes and breezy cleanups. The chocolate brown color isn't merely aesthetic. It's a thoughtful selection designed to promote superior food release while being naturally easy on the eyes. Ease of handling is crucial, and this consideration shines through via wide handles engineered for sturdy, confident grips, even decked in the bulkiest of oven mitts. With oven safety guaranteed to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the set supports ambitious baking ventures involving high heat levels. While the set screams dishwasher safe, it's a nod to Circulon's awareness of modern convenience requirements, yet prudent care via hand washing is advised, potentially prolonging the life of the set that already impresses with a generous, hassle-free lifetime guarantee, an offering that instills confidence in its durability and manufacturer's backing. At number 3 on our list is the Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Bakeware Set. The Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Bakeware Set arrives with an impressive 11-piece collection, marrying form with function, now available for the taking on Amazon. Presented in a chic cream color, it appeals to modern sensibilities, providing both baking essentials and kitchen elegance in equal measure. Featuring an innovative non-stick technology, the ceramic-coated collection ensures a smooth release of your baked goods, minimizing the prep needed prior to baking and significantly reducing cleanup time. A boon for bakers diving into daily use or elaborate recipes. These pieces champion a healthier baking approach as they confidently dispense with PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, cadmium, and other harmful substances, reflecting an amalgamation of safe cooking practices with environmental considerations. Expertly crafted with an aluminized steel body, the set offers robust durability. Designed to last, each piece can endure oven temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, promising to be the stalwart partner through countless rounds of baking ventures. Hand washing will nourish the integrity of the nonstick surface and the structural quality, maintaining its pristine state, and thanks to the included storage organizers, they can be put away tidily, ensuring the longevity of your investment. Within the box, the diversity is generous, targeting different baking needs. A large and medium-sized baking sheet replete with handles for secure transfer, a range of cake pans across diverse shapes and sizes, a muffin pan awaiting batter fills and delectable frosting tops, a cooling rack for the rest period post-oven embrace, and strategic storage components for neat stacking. At number 2 is the Rachael Ray Cucina Nonstick Bakeware Set. Rachael Ray's Cucina Nonstick Bakeware Set promises to enrich the baking ritual with its 10 essential pieces, thoughtfully designed for the home cook. The appealing aesthetics of latte brown surfaces accented with cranberry red grips make this set as much a visual delight as it is a triumph in utility. Thanks to its robust, heavy-gauge steel construction paired with rolled rim edges, it endows your baking with sturdiness vital for repeated use, subtly shaped for easy handling and prevention of warping. The non-stick coating of the bakeware reinforces Rachael Ray's practical ethos, ensuring that foods release smoothly, so your chocolate chip cookies and cheddar biscuits slide off without resistance, thus making the cleanup nothing more than a breezy affair. Comfort is not an afterthought. Silicone grips populate the handles, serving ample control and poise, allowing for seamless transitions from oven to cooling rack even when encumbered with oven mitts or dish towels. The set's versatility runs deep. Not limited to sweets, these pans serve equally well for savories. Roasted vegetables and meats come out succulent from the round cake pans or flat on a cookie sheet. The included rectangular cake pan with a lid stands as a testament to mobility, convenient for protecting and transporting your confections to social gatherings or potluck dinners. Oven safety up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and encompassing an assortment of shapes suited for a full spectrum of baking, from whipping up muffins in the 12-cup pan to fashioning artisan loaves in the loaf pans. This bakeware invites adventures in roasting, too. Designed to meet the demands of both ambitious and routine preparations, Rachael Ray's set elevates everyday baking. It serves not just as a canvas for culinary creativity, but nods to the pleasures of a trusty, effortless release and a quick cleanup, harmonizing durability and pleasing design to kindle the joy of baking. At number 1 is the All-Clad Pro Release Nonstick Bakeware Set. All-Clad presents its Pro Release Nonstick Bakeware Set as a comprehensive suite offering enthusiasts an enviable blend of durability and nonstick ease, complete with warp-resistant heavy-gauge aluminized steel for an impeccable baking performance. This 10-piece set foreshadows countless sessions of delectable oven-borne treats, conducted with distinctive uniformity, all the while promising an accessible cleanup. The profound strength intrinsic to the set's construction supports a ceramically strengthened finish, exponentially enhancing the longevity of these pieces against scratches and stains and reinforcing confidence in the release of any baked creation. An intuitive design strategy speaks to the real baking experience, with allowances for capacious handles factored generously into the mold, a beloved trait for those who handle hot trays with protective layers between fingers and heat. Beyond the bake, All-Clad has factored in comfort for the cleanup stage with a breeze of a non-stick coating, alleviating your scrubbing worries. Compatibility with dishwashing contexts nods to pragmatic modern lifestyles. However, to rekindle the prime performance, hand-washing reinforces a symbiotic care routine suggestive of affection for enduring kitchen companions. Synonymous with reliable max temperatures of 450 degrees Fahrenheit and underpinned by a limited lifetime warranty, All-Clad's bakeware proves dishwasher safe, but is geared towards tender care, coupled with a wooden spoon etiquette to safeguard the sleek surface. These vessels bridge the All-Clad design ethos from Canonsburg, Pennsylvania to a globe where satisfying the rigors of an international array of bakers stands testamental to the harmony between tradition and contemporaneity. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.